Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the Sidus Indicator for MT4. This trend following tool combines two moving averages and the relative strength index to detect trend direction and generate clear buy and sell signals. In this video, you will see how the indicator works, how signals are presented, and which trading rules are described. The Sidus Indicator is a technical analysis tool used in the Forex market that is designed to help traders identify potential trend reversals and entry points. It uses a combination of two moving averages and RSI to detect crossover points that signal when a new trend is beginning, with the RSI adding confirmation by measuring momentum to help traders avoid weak or fake moves. This combination makes it easier to find strong entry points with less guesswork, delivering clean signals based on time-tested technical tools. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports. And just like that, we have the indicator installed in our chart, and it's quite easy to interpret. On the MT4 chart, when the faster moving average crosses above the slower one and the RSI confirms upward momentum, the Sidus indicator generates a buy signal, usually marked by a blue arrow or a green arrow in this case. For a sell signal, the fast moving average must cross below the slow one and the RSI needs to support downward movement, typically displayed with a red arrow, as you can see over here and over here as well. These visual cues appear directly on the chart, giving traders clear entry points without having to analyze too many different charts or tools. As for the settings, let's take a look. The Sidus indicator works well on major currency pairs and is often used on the 15 minutes and 1 hour time frames for clearer signals. Buy entries are confirmed when the fast moving average crosses above the slow moving average and the RSI value is above 50, showing bullish momentum. Sell entries occur when the fast moving average crosses below the slow moving average and the RSI value is below 50, confirming bearish pressure. You can also choose your preferred colors and time frames. As for who is for, the Sidus indicator is suitable for traders who want a straightforward trend following tool that combines moving average crossovers with momentum confirmation. It is appreciated for its simplicity and speed, not flooding the screen with too much information, and because it uses classic indicators like moving averages and RSI, it is easy to understand even for newer traders. However, it is a signal indicator only and does not execute trades, and traders should enter after the signal candle closes with proper stop loss placement and exit management based on support, resistance, or trailing stops. You can download the Sidus indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how the combination of moving average crossovers and RSI momentum confirmation can help traders follow trends with more confidence. If you like trend following indicators with clear visual signals, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 tutorials.